So multiply both sides by 4 or 2. No, 4 only, not 2. The greatest common denominator is 4. So multiply 4 times x over 4 plus 4 times 1 greater than 4 times 3x over 2 here. So 4 times x over 4 is equal x. 4 times 1 is equal 4. Greater is greater. 4 times 6 over 2 cancel. 2 with 4 is 2. 2 times 6 is equal 6x. So the linear inequality x plus 4 greater than 6x. Arrangement. Take x left. So x and 4 are the same. So 4 greater than 5x. Meaning 5x less than 4. The same meaning. So here the solution is x less than 4 over 5. X less than 0.8. So the solution instead is x less than 0.8 here, 0.8 left point, and x less than 4, this is point. This set solution is from negative infinity to 4. This example is about fractional linear inequality. Fraction. Left hand side is fraction. Numerator divided by denominator. Solve the inequality. 6x plus 7 over 2x minus 7 greater than 5. To solve this problem, we have to make an equation 0, right hand side is 0. How to get right hand side is 0? Move 5 from right and to left. Take so 6x plus 7 over 2x minus 7 minus 5 greater than 0. Why? To know 0 up 0 is positive, less than 0 is negative. 6x plus 7 over 2x minus 7 minus 5 make simplify this. Make common denominator. Common denominator is 2x minus 7 up 3x plus 7 minus 5 times 2x minus 7. We arrangement 3x plus 7 minus 5 times 2x is minus 10x. Minus 5 times minus 7 is plus 35 over 2x minus 7 is greater than 0. Arrangement numerator. So 3x minus 10x is minus 7x plus 7 plus 35 is plus 42 over 2x minus 7. All is greater than 0. We can make simplify to make problem is easy. In numerator minus 7x plus 42, we can take common vector. What's common vector here is minus 7. If we take minus 7 here, take minus 7, take minus 7x, take minus 7 equal x. 42 take divide by minus 7, take is minus 6. Minus 7 here greater than 0 to cancel. Divide by 2x minus 7. Okay. So we have numerator and denominator. X minus 6 in numerator, 2x minus 7 in denominator. All is less than 0. Why it is less? Here is greater. Because we take minus here, minus 7 here. So minus 70 change the sign from greater than to less than. Okay. So I have numerator x minus 6, denominator x minus 7, less than 0. Less than 0 meaning is negative. So if the numerator is positive and the denominator is negative, the result is negative. Okay. And if we inverse that, numerator is negative, denominator is positive, or numerator is positive, denominator is negative, or the result is less than 0 is negative. Take the two results or two assumptions. If we take x minus 6 less than 0 and 2x minus 7 greater than 0, solve it. We have to solve it. X less than 6 and x greater than 7 over 2. The other assumption, if x minus 6 greater than 0 and 2x minus 7 less than 0, we have the x greater than 6 and x less than 3.5. So what is the common result? The common result here, or the set of inequality result, is from x greater than 35 less than 6. It is the correct result for this. If we make it a true line or line number, we take this result. By the same method which we discussed in fraction, so the fraction have to greater than 0 or less than 0. How to get the fraction negative or positive, depending about numerator and denominator, up and down. If less than 0, so up, less than 0, down, greater than 0, or inverse, up greater than 0, down less than 0. Or the inequality for quadratic equation. What's the quadratic equation? As in the form ax power 2 plus bx plus c. But here, less than 0 or greater than 0. How to solve it? Look this example. 2x power 2 plus 5x plus 2 greater than 0. First thing, 2x plus power 2 plus 5x plus 2, we can factorize it. Factorize in the chapter 4. How to factorize this? We factorize this by 2x plus power 2 plus 5x plus 2 is 2x plus 1 times x plus 2. Have to greater than 0. So 2x plus 1 times x plus 2 greater than 0. To be greater than 0, I meaning is positive. Meaning that first bracket plus greater than 0 and second plus greater than 0. This is the first step. Second step, or first bracket is less than 0, second bracket is less than 0. We take the two possibilities. First possibility, x plus 2 greater than 0, meaning x greater than negative 2, and 2x plus 1 greater than 0, meaning x greater than negative 1 over 2. So we have x greater than negative 2, x less than negative 2. Is the first possibility. Second possibility, x plus 2 less than 0, means x less than negative 2. And 2x plus 1 less than 0, so x less than negative half. What's the solution? The solution of the union of both equation, of both solution. First, so is negative from negative infinity to negative 2, union negative 0.5 plus infinity. U is union, and we can classify also if we put by a number line. Another example for quadratic inequality. Solve 5 minus 3x greater than equal to x power 2. First thing, put in the standard form. What's the standard form? X power 2 plus bx plus c greater or less than 0. So arrangement. What's the arrangement? So 2x plus power 2, move minus 3x to other right hand side is plus 3x, move x other side to minus 5. It is symbol is less than 0. So the equation is 2x power 2 plus 3x minus 5 less than 0. First, factorize this equation. How to factorize this? We factorize it by two brackets. 2x plus 5 times x minus 1 is less than 0. So less than 0 meaning one bracket positive and the other bracket is negative. So first one positive, second one negative, or first one negative, second one positive. Take the both sides. Take first possibility, 2x plus 5 less than 0 and x minus 1 greater than 0, or take 2x plus 5 greater than 0 and x minus 1 less than 0. To solve it, we have x greater than 1 or x and x less than negative 5 over 2. On the other side, x less than 1 or x greater than negative 5 over 2. If we put in the number line, we get the solution x less than 1 greater than negative 5 over 2. It is the final result to solve this inequality. We are speaking about inequality involving absolute value. What is the absolute value or the modulus? Absolute value f of x. So f of x between the two lines is called absolute value, is equal f of x positive if f of x greater than 0, or equal negative f of x if f of x less than 0. How can that? Look the example. Solve the inequality absolute x minus 1 less than 2. So absolute x minus 1 is equal x minus 1 if x minus 1 greater than 0 or x greater than 1. Solve it. X less than 3, x less than 3. Okay, the solution. And equal negative x minus 1 less than 2. We solve it. Negative x minus 1, so negative x plus 1 less than 0. So x greater than negative 1. So the solve for this is x greater than negative 1 and less than 3. We have another method, easy method, without using these steps. What is the easy method? Look in the next slide. Note, to solve absolute value x plus constant less than another constant, we have to make solution very easy. Without the absolute value, put x plus a. So greater than negative b less than b, and moving plus a to right and to left. Look this example. Absolute value x minus 2 less than 1. So without absolute value is x minus 2 greater than negative 1 less than 1, and moving negative 2 to right and left. So x here moving negative 2 to 1. So 1 moving change sign. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and negative 2 to left plus 2. So negative 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So x greater than 1 less than 3. Another example. Absolute 3 absolute value x plus 2 less than 9. We have is 3 and is 9. If we divide both sides by 3, so 3 cancel here, 9 over 3 is 3. So the result is absolute value x plus 2 less than 3. And factorize that. So it's 3. So negative 3 less than x plus 2 less than 3. Negative 3 less than x plus 2 less than 3. Moving 2 from 2 to both sides. The plus 2. Moving here, negative 2. Negative 2, negative 3 is negative 5. 2 moving to right, negative 2. So 3, negative 2 is 1. So the result is x greater than negative 5 less than 1. Another example like this. 2 outside absolute value. Inside is 3x plus 2. So 2 absolute value is 3x plus 2 less than 10. First divide here 2, 10 divide by 2, 10 is 5. So absolute value is 3x plus 2 less than 5. And factorize that is 5. So negative 5 less than 3x plus 2 less than 5 without absolute value. Moving plus 2 to both sides. Here plus 2 moving to negative 2. So negative 5, negative 2 is negative 7. 2 negative right hand side, negative 5, negative 2 is 3. But inside is 3x. So 3x greater than negative 7 less than 3. Divide all by 3. So negative 7 over 3 less than x less than 1. The last example for the absolute value. We're only talking absolute value is less than. one not about greater than or equal. So solve the inequality absolute 2x plus 4 less than 3x plus 2. First, if absolute value 2x plus 4 greater than 0, then absolute 2x plus 4 is equal to x plus 4. So 2x plus 4 less than 3x plus 2. Solving it, we get x is x greater than 2. Second, if absolute 2x plus 4 less than 0, that's meaning 2x plus 4 is equal negative 2x plus 4. Substitute negative bracket 2x plus 4 less than 3x plus 2. Solving it, we get the result. So we have two results: x greater than 0 for x greater than negative, x greater than 2 for x greater than negative 2, or 5x greater than negative 6 for x less than negative 2. So the first system we obtain x greater than equal to. Second system doesn't have solution. Then the solution to solve this inequality is from too close to infinity. It's a good problem.